Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Beginner's Guide to Python. In this video we're going to install Python on Windows, so let's go ahead and take a look and see how to do it. So one of the great things about Python, the installation is very straightforward. Here are the steps. You first go to the Python website, you click on the downloads, and you download the latest version for Windows. And you'll have a selection there of either a 32 or a 64-bit, whatever your machine requires. And then when you do the installation, the only thing that I do is I like to select the custom install and set some of the options, and we'll take a look at some of those options. And then when it's done, we'll just run a brief test of our installation. Okay, now I'm going to connect up to my Windows machine and we'll run through the installation step by step. Okay, I've gone ahead and navigated to the Python website, and under the Downloads menu, I'm going to select Windows. And under there, I'm going to select the most recent version, which for this video is 3.9.5. So there's a number of different files that you'll see here. I'm going to go ahead and select and download the Windows installer for 64-bit. It's right here at the bottom of the list, so I'm going to go ahead and click on that and download this file to my machine. Now that the file is downloaded, I'm going to double click on the downloaded file to start the Python installation process. One thing you'll want to select is to add Python to your path, and I've selected the custom setup, so this way I can make sure all the components that I want to install are selected, and I've done that. One thing that I want to add for this particular machine, I want to make sure that all of the users can use Python. So I'm going to click this option up at the top, and then I'm going to go ahead and install the software. You also have an opportunity to change the directory, but I just use the default directory. But you may want to change that for your particular installation. So the installation is going to go ahead and kick off, and through the magic of video, I'm going to go ahead and speed this up, and we'll skip to the end of the installation process. So now I've gone ahead and skipped to the end of the installation process. It's just finishing up right here. We have just a few more seconds until the installation is complete, and there we are. Setup was successful. So I'll go ahead and close this window, and we'll go ahead and test out our application and our installation of Python. Okay, now that our installation is complete, let's go check out a few things with Python. So the first thing we'll look at is if we go over to the Start menu and I scroll on down, there's a new folder here for Python 3.9, and you'll notice that there's now links for the idle IDE, a Python command window, and also a couple of links for the documentation. The other thing we can do is, since we added it to our path, we can go ahead and open up a command prompt window, and I've gone ahead and done that. And since it's added to our path, I can now type in Python -- version, and we'll get back the Python 3.9.5. So if we want to go ahead and start up Python, we'll go ahead and do that, and we'll print our traditional first program in any language is hello world. So we'll go ahead and type that in, and there we go, our very first Python program. So that's really it for this video and this lesson. Just wanted to take you through. You can type in quit, and that will take you right out of the Python interpreter. So that's a quick and easy install, how to get up and going right away with Python. Get your development environment on. In the next few videos, I'll show you some other options you can use as far as development tools. That's it for this lesson. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye-bye. Thank you so much for your interest in this video. If you like the material, please click the thumbs up button. If you'd like to see more material like this, please consider subscribing to my channel. That's it for now. Thanks again. I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.